Hello guys, here's how to download a TikTok. So start by selecting your TikTok, hit the dots in the lower corner, and we're going to copy the TikTok link by selecting that button there. That will copy it to our clipboard. We then want to go to Safari or Google Chrome and Google TikTok video download. The one I like to use is called SnapTik. It's up the top here. It works really nicely. The other one's a bit dodgy. So we can then paste in our link here and hit download. And it starts to download. Now we then want to select download server 1 or 2. In this case I'm just selecting this one, and what we want to do is exit out that ad and hit download here, and you'll see Safari in the bottom left there will start to download this. And if I select that and check out our downloads, you can see in here, here's the video, and there it is, saved to my camera roll without any watermarks, and it does have the audio too. About 30 psi and up. I have mine about 38. So that's how easy it is to download a TikTok using your iPhone.